Good morning, everybody. Do you remember the delicious sandwich that I made yesterday with my favorite Schafer original bologna, now made by Alderfer? Maybe you do. Well, I had so many great comments and suggestions, and also reminding me that this is delicious fried. So I'm going to fry it for my meal today, 8:36 a.m. What would that be called? A meal between breakfast and lunch. Oh yeah, brunch. I'm going to show you how to make my brunch early in the morning. I have a copper chef pan over there warming up. This is going to be so good. Remember, I peeled that back. Cut this casing a little bit. Peel that back. Oh, it already came back, see? Casing all came back already. Good, easy. And so many people have told me about the types of bologna in their area, like garlic flavored, smoky, different brands. A lot of you have this Alderfer in your area. Is that enough for one sandwich? Yeah, one more for a snack. Well, you just make a little slit. I don't know if they're going to curl up like pork roll, or you know what pork roll is. Let's go over that frying pan. It's going to be a great brunch. I'm hungry, you know that. Here we are at the warm copper chef pan. I'm going to put some butter in there because I want to. Does that bother you? I don't think so. You know why? Because I'm also going to add some minced garlic. Oh, this alone is going to be enough. Enough to what? To smell delicious. Look at that. The ultimate fried retro classic bologna sandwich. Turn up the heat a little more. He's getting warmed up. We're hear some sizzle. Oh, this is gonna be good. Won't hear no sizzle. We'll fry these up, maybe a little crunch on them. What do you think? I appreciate all those comments from yesterday, and each one I read made me hungry. And I have done this in the past, but yesterday I just wanted to share with you the Schafer bologna and a brief history about it that I told you yesterday also. I'll put a link at the end, you can watch that. Come on, sizzle up. You hot? Come on. There it comes. Oh, now comes the butter and the garlic smell. Oh, what meat. Alderfer's. I'm glad they brought that Schafer bologna recipe, otherwise it might have been lost. And also, yes, it is summer bologna, very similar to Lebanon bologna. And after your comments also, I also remembered that I did make summer bologna or summer sausage from scratch, and then I smoked it in my smoker. I'll put a link for that in the description down below. Can you smell that? Oh, this is going to be an excellent sandwich for me. And also, I was going to do this in my air fryer as well. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. 3 days of bologna sandwich videos. So I'm glad I put a little slit there. See that? Otherwise they might curl up. Fry it up, fry it up. You could eat this just like this. You could cube it up, make them kind of crunchy like burnt ends. Have them with cheese cubes for a party platter. Make little shish kebabs out of them with toothpicks. I'm trying not to scratch up the pan with a fork, so that's why I'm using this grabber. Whoa! Keep an eye on them. Did I get you yet? Whoa. Couple more minutes. Little meathead Pac-Mans. Whoop, 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 whoop. What do you think? Enough? Look at that toasted garlic. Alright, let me turn down my heat a little bit. Oh, come on, look at this. You know the next step to this delicious creation? I'm going to show you. I have 2 slices of white bread. You can use any kind of bread you want. I also see I got there's some pumpernickel too back here, but I don't want no pumpernickel today. White bread. I'm still going to use my mayonnaise and mustard, but you don't have to. Here we go. I like that one for the bottom. Sprinkle out a little mayo. Oh, come on, look at this. Mayo on the bottom. What next? 1 slice of cheese. Then build. Oh. I'm gonna get 2 sandwiches out of this. Look at it. Please look at it. Skipping the pickles today. Oh. Put it all on. What goes on next? I'll tell you. A little bit of Coleman's mustard of Norwich from England. Remember my buddy David sent me this? Thanks, David. Still using it. It's a work of art right there, isn't it? What am I going to do next? Slice of cheese. Put the top on. There. Think it's done? Think again. Going back in the frying pan. Back in the butter and garlic. Oh, listen to that. With that mayo. Turn the heat on medium for a few minutes. Let me try this sandwich squashing gadget. Ooh. You like that? I do. I'm hungry. A little slash of butter in there. Yummy. Let's turn it on. See what it's gonna look like. Oh! See that fried toasted garlic on there? Whoa! It's exciting. Let's turn it over again. Oh! You think that's perfect? You love it? I certainly do. Should I cut it or just take a bite out of it? Voila! I think I'll cut it. Just so we can get a peek in there. Get a peek. I smell that mustard. I smell the smokiness of the bologna. And the garlic and butter. You know what's going to make this brunch perfect for me? Another Pennsylvania classic, A-Treat cream soda. I know you don't find that in your area. In fact, they went out of business and somebody else put up some money and kept them going. Glad for that. Cream soda. Take a bite of this beautiful sandwich. Thank you all so much for reminding me of this yesterday. Oh. This is so delicious. The American cheese is perfect melt in there. The butter and garlic really kicked it off. Oh, see the garlic in there? Oh boy, let me get a taste of that H3 cream soda. So find some similar bologna like that in your area. Or maybe you can get Alderfer's. Maybe you can buy it online, or I know you all have something similar to this kind of bologna. So fry it up and try it up. Maybe I'll do the air fryer tomorrow, maybe not. You get the idea. Thanks again, everybody. Have a great day. Please subscribe. See you later.